The easy setup of the Ozark Trail Appalachian Tent.
But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The red is for the porch end. As long as we have it like this, and if you're doing it by yourself, you build this part, then I'm going to get the tent. You start utilizing these little holes. They're on each of the supports, the cross members of the tent roof. You go from there, start lacing it up. Then you start popping in your yellow poles. Super easy, goes up pretty quick. You're going to want to locate the porch area and then find the middle ridge. So you want to find these hooks. There should be 3 of them. The side, the middle, the top. Yep, okay. So after you find your middle hook, and that's probably the most complicated thing for this, is make sure you're going down the middle. You're not grabbing the sides. Start snapping sides. Haley's gonna help us. You just gotta make sure your top ones are on. You can get the side ones, but the top ones are the most important ones. Because if you're not tall enough, you're not gonna be able to reach, or you'll be struggling to stand on your tippy toes to get these. All the tops are in. Okay, from here, we're basically just going to be putting in the corners. These right here go underneath within the pole. And then a few of these going on, and then just snapping and pulling. But yeah, just go around. As long as you got the top and everything on top going, you're good to go. All right, we're just going to finish this up.
But what really truly sets this tent apart is the front vestibule. It's more than just an entryway. It's your gear locker, changing room, or even private bathroom when you're camping at sites with no facilities. The extra space it gives you, the freedom to organize your gear, stay clean, and stay comfortable, no matter where the adventures take you. But yeah, I highly recommend this tent. It's sturdy, it seems well built, and it's really easy to put up, and we have a great time in it. If you found this video helpful, please help us out and hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you real soon.